Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this is Abacha, our own type of Abacha. I'm from Mbise in Imo State and this is how we make our own Abacha. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this dried Abacha from Akpu Mmiri with cassava flakes. Let's get started. So here I have some cassava tubers which I bought from the market today. What I'm going to do now is to wash this thoroughly, cut off the head and the tail. I wash it thoroughly, cut it then, and we cook it. I've washed, cut off the head and the tail. That is the head and the tail. Then poured water to cover it. So we'll now cook until it gets soft, and this can take about 20 minutes. I'll let you know when it gets soft. It's still strong. It's still strong. Once a fork or knife can penetrate it, then you know that it's soft enough. It's still a bit strong. I'll give it 5 more minutes to cook. You can easily go in now, and you can see these edges have changed color. It is now time to bring it down. You can see the fork there. Watch the color. I put it inside water so that it will be easier for me to kill. I'm done peeling the cooked cassava, so the next step now will be to slice it. And here I have it all sliced. So the next step now is to add enough water to cover it to the top. Next, I'll cover it and leave it to soak in the water there for about 10 to 12 hours or overnight. And here we have our Akpu Mmiri. Slimy, it's very slimy. So I'll take it to my sink and wash. I'll wash this up to 4 to 5 times until it is no longer slimy. So gonna wash it. So here we have our Akpu Mmiri. I have two parts here. I divided it into two. I'm going to dry this one. This is another way of preserving it, and this I'll leave in the fridge. This one like this. This is what we're going to eat like this. You can enjoy this one now with your coconut or granite, and this can last up to 3 days in the fridge. This one I've put in the sink here. I will allow it drain water. After some time, I'll now spray in the tray and take out to the sun. You can enjoy it with your coconut or granite. I like to eat it with cold water. So you can enjoy with any of them. I like to, since I've not put it in the fridge, I like to enjoy it with cold water. Now I'll cover this and keep in the fridge. Now spray this. And I'll cover it with something and take out to the sun. And here we have our dry Akpu Mmiri or Japu Mmiri or Abacha or dry cassava flakes. It's so dried. This took about 2 days to dry this way. I have a recipe I'm going to make with this, so watch out for it. For now, I'm going to store it or pack it in my Ziploc bag and keep it until when next I'm using it. If you want to eat this like this, all you need to do is to soak it back into the water. Maybe after about 1 hour, it will get soft again, and you can also eat it again with your coconut or granite. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.